Hey guys, what's happening? How to remove a phone number from your Facebook account. So simply click the menu at the bottom right, and then what you're gonna do, click the settings here at the top right. Access the account center or Meta, right? And then you're gonna see your personal details. You're gonna see contact info, birthday, identity confirmation. Click the first option, and then click the phone number, and then simply click delete the number, right? Deleting this number will disable two-factor authentication. So if you're sure that you want to delete this phone number and you want to add a new one, probably just go ahead and hit delete and add your new phone number, and go through the two-factor authentication process so you can secure your account. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.